So I'll be showing you how to hide notifications from specific apps from the notification center. So let's say you have an app like YouTube that gives, or rather that brings notifications to the notification center. I'll be showing you how to stop that from happening, or how to stop the YouTube app from showing notifications in that notification center. Now for this tutorial, I'm using the iPhone 14 Pro, but this should work for other iPhones and iPads. So the first thing you need to do is go to settings, beg your pardon. So go to settings. That takes you to the main settings page. On the main settings page, tap on notifications. And then under that, look for YouTube. Okay, so let's look for the YouTube app. Of course, you want to look for a specific app. For me, let me look for YouTube. So here's the YouTube app. Tap on it. And first of all, we have notifications enabled, because if they're not allowed, then you won't see anything. But since we have notifications enabled, you should see all these options. What you need to do is go to notification center, and currently it's enabled. Okay, as you can see, notifications in the notification center are enabled, and that's why you're able to actually see those notifications in the notification center like that. Okay, so if you disable it by unchecking it like that, if you now go and try to look at the notification center, you'll not see notifications from YouTube. Okay, to enable it back on, just go to the settings page and turn that on, and now you should see YouTube notifications in the notification center for future notifications, that is. And that's basically how to enable and disable app notifications in the notification center of your iPhone. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.